Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. Determined to live. Full story. There was a young woman who lived in a popular ghetto in Kingston, Jamaica. She lived with her family there at the time when there was a major political war going on, and people were dropping like flies for no reason. In those times, people lost their lives for no reason at all. One night, armed men broke down their door, had their way with the women, and unalived everyone in the house. Or so they thought. The girl was still alive but pretended to be passed away like the rest of her family. Covered in blood, she laid there on the ground with her deceased family members, barely breathing and trying to be as stiff as a piece of plyboard. Suddenly, she heard one of the men say, "You sure him unalive?" The other responded, "You meant him unalive." Then one of the men said jokingly, "Let's light matches between their toes to really see if them unalive." One by one, they lit the matches between the toes of the deceased. None of them budged. It was now her turn, and she was terrified, but determined to make it out of there alive. They carefully placed matches sticks between all 10 of her toes and lit them one by one. It burned like crazy, but the girl didn't budge. She didn't even give one slight evidence that she felt the burn between all 10 toes. When it was all over, they left, leaving the room smelling of the Grim Reaper's cologne. She crawled out of that house and got help. She then left and never returned. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.